Lakshay, you can start. Yes. There will be 3 rounds in the competition, and now you can see the first rule for the first round, students. So just go through the rules. I will definitely brief it once again. Can you see the rules, students? You have to confirm in the screen.
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
not now, right? Not now. Now, Lakshay, please enable us to share the screen. No, yeah. Now you can see, students, the rules are here. There will be 3 rounds. First round will be well, where you will be asked 3 words. Each team, each house will be asked 3 words. You have to spell it correctly. Second round will be jumble trumble, where you will be getting jumbled letters and a clue letter. That means the beginning letter of each word will be shown. Each correct word gives you 2 marks. And students, you have to listen to the words and the clues properly and then only answer. The very basic thing that I would like to inform you all is, from one house, if 2 students speak together, the answer will not be considered. So make sure that you have an understanding among yourselves and only one student will speak at a time. In the first round, students, each student will be asked a question. I will name the student also, so that that particular child speaks the spelling correctly. So starting with the first round, the spell well round. First word goes to Nitya Arora of Columbus House. Nitya Arora.
Mute है.
Participants, please mute. Others will mute. Nitya Arora, the word comes for you. The word is wreck. Spell the word wreck. The meaning of wreck. The meaning of wreck is destruction of a ship at sea. Spell the word, Nitya.
Yes, ma'am.
Spell the word wreck, Nitya Arora. Nitya Arora, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
So please give me the spelling of wreck. Spell it loudly so that I can hear you. You're not audible, Nitya.
Ma'am, can you repeat the word?
Wreck. The word is wreck, and the meaning of wreck is destruction of a ship at sea or a badly damaged ship or vehicle. What is the spelling of the word wreck? Time up. Next word for Harveen. Harveen from 4th A.
Yes, ma'am.
Harveen, your word is souvenir. The word is souvenir. And the meaning of the word souvenir is a thing that is kept as a reminder of a person, place, or event. Harveen, your word is souvenir. Yes?
Ma'am, can you repeat the word?
Souvenir. The word is souvenir.
Participants, please switch on your videos. You are not allowed to close it. You have to be in front of screen. Harveen, your video is, I think, it's off.
Harveen, your video should not be off.
Okay, ma'am.
Time up. Columbus House, Ahana Narayan. The word for you is Ahana Narayan. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Yeah. Your word is chauffeur. The word for you is chauffeur. The meaning of the word is a person hired to drive a private or hired car. A person hired to drive a private car. The word is chauffeur. Spell it, Ahana.
SHOPPER.
I'm afraid it's a wrong spelling. The correct spelling of chauffeur is CHAUFFEUR. I'm afraid Columbus House has not opened its account yet. Coming up next to Da Vinci House. Da Vinci House, first student, Sanvi. Sanvi. Sanvi from 3rd B.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sanvi, your word comes as nephew. The word is nephew. The meaning of nephew is son of brother or sister.
EPHEW.
Excellent. Very good, Sanvi. Correct answer. Next word goes to Arna Verma. Arna Verma, Da Vinci House. Arna
Yes,
Verma.
Yes,
Your word comes as casserole. The word is casserole. The meaning of casserole is an utensil for keeping dishes cooked, or the second meaning is a kind of stew cooked in an oven. The word is casserole.
CASROLL.
I'm afraid it's a wrong answer. The correct answer, the correct word is CASSEROLE, casserole. Next, from the Vinci House, Chaitanya Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaitanya, your word comes as zucchini. Zucchini. The word is zucchini, and the meaning of zucchini, it's a type of vegetable. It's a name of a vegetable, zucchini.
ZUKINI.
I'm afraid it's wrong. The correct spelling is ZUCCHINI, zucchini. Next, Einstein House. First word goes to Advik Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Advik Sharma, yes. Your word comes as awkward. The word is awkward. The meaning of awkward is causing or feeling uneasy or embarrassed. Spell the word awkward.
OCWORDS.
I'm so sorry, Advik, it's wrong. The correct spelling is AWKWARD. Second question goes to Prajwal from Einstein House.
Yes, ma'am.
Prajwal, your word comes as rhythm. The word is
Rhythm.
and the meaning of rhythm is a strong, regular, repeated pattern of sound. The word is rhythm. Spell it.
RIGAIM.
I'm afraid, Prajwal, it's wrong. The correct spelling is RHYTHM, rhythm. Next question goes to Shraddha Pandey. Einstein House, Shraddha Pandey.
Yes, ma'am.
Your word is specialization.
Ma'am, what is it?
The word is specialization, and the meaning is the process of becoming expert in a particular subject or skill. The word is specialization. Yes, Shraddha.
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell the spelling?
Yes, Shraddha. Your video should not be turned off.
Okay,
Turn
ma'am.
on your video.
Ma'am, my video is already turned on.
Okay, now spell the word.
SPECIALIZATION. Specialization.
Excellent, Shraddha. Yes, excellent. Got the correct spelling. Coming up to Gandhi House. First word goes to Avishi. Gandhi House, Avishi.
Yes.
Avishi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Avishi, your word comes as dawn. The word is dawn. Spell the word dawn. The meaning of dawn is the first appearance of light in the sky before sunlight. Sunrise, I'm so sorry. The first appearance of light in the sky before sunrise. The word is dawn.
DAWN.
Excellent, Avishi. Very good. Next word comes to Parth Agrawal. Gandhi House, Parth Agrawal.
Yes, ma'am.
Parth, your word comes as truffle. Spell the word truffle. Truffle. The meaning of truffle is a strong smelling underground fungus.
Ma'am, as T.
Listen to the word first. It is truffle.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, please.
Truffle.
Good part. Very good. Correct spelling. Now the word comes for Abhay Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhay, your word is psychology. Spell the word psychology. The meaning of psychology is study of human mind and its function. Spell the word psychology.
Sychology.
You missed out with the first letter, Abhay. I'm so sorry for it. The word starts with P. Psychology. P is silent in the letter. I'm afraid you got a wrong word. Anyways, this finishes the first round of spell, and after the completion of first round, Sheetal ma'am, if we can have the scores.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. After the first round, Columbus is at 0 point, Da Vinci is at 2 point, Einstein is at 2 point, and Gandhi is at 4 point.
Right, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now, students, coming up to the second round, that is Jumble Trumble. The second round, Jumble Trumble. The rules comes here on the screen. The spelling champion from each house will be given one jumbled word. Each house will get only 2 words. Participants have to make a correct word using the clue, and your clue is the first letter of the word. Each word is of 2 marks, and the question will not pass. Now, the question for Columbus House. There are 2 words and you get 4 minutes to form the word correctly. 2 minutes time for Columbus House. The jumbled letters are OOLDB, and your word starts with the letter B. That is the clue. Try to arrange the letters and make the meaningful word. Columbus House.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, Ahana Narayan. I want to answer from Columbus group.
Right. Yes, Ahana.
The answer of the first one is blood.
Very good. Yes.
And as well, the answer of the second one also, right?
Second word, yes. Tell me.
Complex.
Excellent. Ahana, correct answer. You got
Thank you,
both the
ma'am.
words correctly. Coming up to Da Vinci. Da Vinci, here comes your words. The first jumbled letters are OUCLEP, and the first letter, that means the beginning word letter, is C. And the second one, beta, it is for Da Vinci. Columbus. The screen is not clear. Now it's fine.
It is showing, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. From Da Vinci House. Participants, if the meeting gets over, you will join with the same link immediately. All the participants, make sure if the meeting gets over, immediately you will join with the same link. Da Vinci House, who is going to answer?
Ma'am, I can tell Sahvi.
Yes, Sanvi. Yes, Sanvi, give me the answer. You have only 4 minutes time, beta. Time is running out.
First one is Kapil.
First one is
Kapil.
couple. Very good. Second word, you got the first word correct. Second word, Da Vinci House. Time up. Time up. Now it's Einstein House turn. Einstein House, here comes your word. The jumbled letters are YLTES. The beginning letter is S. Participants, I'm repeating. If the meeting gets over, please join with the same link. Einstein House. Who is going to answer?
Ma'am, I can tell. I can tell.
Decide among yourself and one of you
Ma'am,
can
can
come
I
up with
tell Shraddha
answers.
Pandey?
Okay, come
Ma'am, can
Shraddha,
I tell
tell me.
Shraddha Pandey?
Yes, beta. Shraddha,
Ma'am,
give the
first
answer.
one is style. Ma'am, first one is
First one
style.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
next one I
Yes.
tell. Ma'am, next one is alphabet.
Very good. Well done. Both the answers are correct. Alphabet and style. Next turn comes Gandhi House. Gandhi House, your words are here. First jumbled letter is GDDNOIG and the beginning letter is D.
Ma'am, dodging.
Gandhi House. Yes.
Ma'am, dodging. First one.
Very good. Very good. First one is dodging.
Ma'am, second one. Can I tell?
Decide
Ma'am,
among yourself.
Ma'am, I, Abhayaditya, will
One
tell
is
the second one.
Any one of you. Yes, Abhay, you can give me the answer.
Ma'am, second one is bridge.
Bridge. Very good. Yes, it's correct. The first word is dodging and the second word is bridge. That this comes to an end of the second round. Sheetal ma'am, may I have the score?
Yes, ma'am. Just a moment. In second round, Columbus scored 4 points, Da Vinci scored 2 points, Einstein scored 4 points, Gandhi scored 4 points. So in total, should I tell the total?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Total also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So total as so far, Columbus is at 4, Da Vinci is at 4, Einstein is is at 6 and Gandhi is at. That's it, ma'am.
Thank you, Sheetal ma'am. Now we are coming up to the third round, that is word web. Students, in this round, you have to make a new word by combining the letters in the hexagon. The central letter will be used commonly for each letter, for each word. Maximum of 5 words you have to make, and each word should not be less than 3 letters. For each word you get 2 marks. Combining all the letters of the web, if you make a word out of it, then you get a bonus of 5 marks for it. Is it clear to all? Any questions?
Ma'am, I cannot understand the rules.
Yeah. You will see the web. I'll show it. All the 4 houses will have their separate web. In those webs, the letters are written. You have to pick those letters and make meaningful words out of it. There is a common letter in the center of the hexagon, which is a must to be used in every word that you make.
Ma'am, but can it be more than 5 letters?
You can make it. The time limit is you will be getting only 4 minutes time, right? You will get only 4 minutes time to solve that web. Out of 4 minutes, what number of words you can make, maximum there is no limit, but minimum it should be 5. And bonus, to score bonus 5, you have to find out a word using all the letters in the web. Here comes your web for individual houses. The house is mentioned below. Gandhi
Ma'am,
House.
which is the
Yours
Einstein?
is the. See, all the 4 houses webs are shown. The first one is for Da Vinci. Second is for Columbus. Third, Einstein, and fourth, Gandhi. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, I have got a word from Einstein House Visual.
Peter, you have to write it down in your notebook. All of you
Okay,
will
ma'am.
be writing the words in your notebook, and then one representative from each house will read out those words.
Okay.
Come on, participants. 3 minutes more.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait.
Ma'am, Adishya Einstein.
You're through with the words?
Ma'am, I can tell. Ma'am, can I
Yes.
tell? Ma'am, I have got. Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am? Shraddha Pandey, Einstein.
Participants.
Ma'am, Einstein House Visual. Shraddha Pandey, Einstein.
Participants, you have to wait for
Ma'am,
the time to get over.
ma'am, the
Wait.
answer is microbe.
No, wait a while. Don't give the answer right now.
Ma'am, Shraddha Pandey.
Da Vinci House. Are you through with your webs? You have 2 more minutes.
Ma'am,
Da Vinci House, Columbus House, Einstein, Gandhi.